Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be doing this look. It's a kind of Christmas inspired look since Christmas is like tomorrow. So I wanted to go ahead and get this video up, so if you have any kind of Christmas parties that you're going to be going to tomorrow, you have a look that you can use. So if you just keep on watching, and you'll see how I came up with this. So I'm going to be using the Morphe James Charles palette today. This is what it looks like. And we're going to go ahead and get started with this Christmas look. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start in with Your Kidding. And I am going to use that as my transition shade. Now I'm going to go ahead and go into the green called Social Blade, and we're going to set that concealer. We're going to go back into the red and just blend everything out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead off camera, finish up the other eye, and I'll be back with the finished look. Alright, so here is the finished eye look that I came up with for Christmas looking color. And go ahead and finished it off with a bright red lip to go along with it. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you'll be reminded the next time I upload. And if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.